We walked the site of a custom build, and here's what you'll typically find at most construction sites. The basic debris. Wooden planks placed over sand because the sand is lava. Giant piles of gravel. A dumpster you don't really want to dumpster dive in. PVC piping too small for Super Mario to fit inside of. Random pieces of 2x4s, measure twice, cut once. Signs of hydration. At least one van or truck with one of these. These menaces. And nails. Lots and lots of nails. See? But in all seriousness, this home is gonna be a stunner.